So in today's session, we are going to discuss about the Salesforce and what are the various services offered by the Salesforce to their customers. And what are the various terminology or the vocabulary that we are following as part of this Salesforce CRM. So that already we have discussed as part of the demo session. When coming to the Salesforce.com is an organization. It's an organization which has been started in 1990s by a person called as Mark Benioff. So he is the CEO of the organization. So he is the founder of the organization who has started this company in 1990s. So initially, he is one of the executive member in the Oracle Corporation. That means he is an ex-employee of Oracle Corporation, and he has rendered his services for the Oracle Corporation for a long time. And during his tenure in the Oracle Corporation, he has identified the various products has been implemented by the Oracle Corporation people and the customers who are utilizing the Oracle products and the problems which the customers are facing with the Oracle products. Generally, Oracle products are very, very expensive, very, very costly. For example, if you have purchased an Oracle database like a some 12G version, we're investing the huge amount, then every year we need to keep on upgrade that software because every year Oracle Corporation is releasing the latest version of the database. So in order to get that latest features, we need to upgrade that software. We're investing the huge amount by purchasing the latest version of license every year. So during the upgradation time, the customers are facing huge problems because every year they have to do the huge investment in order to upgrade that software by purchasing the latest version of the license to get the latest features. So he has identified all those problems which has been facing by the customers. So and then he got an idea. So as of now in our IT industry, we don't have any rental concept. That means if you want to use any ready-made software or if you want to use any platform, if you want to use any infrastructure, always we have to do the huge investment. But because of this investment, most of the organizations are not showing interest to utilize our services. So that he made a proposal to that higher management of the Oracle Corporation that our customers are facing huge problems during the upgradation because every year we are releasing the latest version of the Oracle database. So to get the latest features, the customer has to upgrade that software by purchasing the latest version of the license. So most of the customers are not able to afford that much of investment every year to do the upgradation of the software. So then why can't we provide our Oracle products to our customers on rental basis? So he made a proposal to provide that Oracle products to the customers on rental basis. But unfortunately, his proposal got rejected. Oracle Corporation is not ready to provide the Oracle products to their customers on rental basis. These are purely on license basis where the customer has to buy the license by investing a huge amount upon upgradation. So that he got an idea, so why can't we start my own company and why can't we introduce these rental services to the customers by providing the various IT services so that we can capture more number of customers, we can generate more revenue as well. So that he got resigned to the Oracle Corporation and he came out from that organization and then he has started his own company in the year 1990s with the name Salesforce.com. So Salesforce.com is an organization which is purely offering the cloud services to their customers. They're purely offering the cloud services. They're purely offering the cloud services to the customers. Cloud services means what? The services which doesn't require any installation. That means whatever the IT resources that we need, okay, whatever the IT resources that we need, it may be a ready-made software, or it may be a platform to implement your own custom applications, or it may be infrastructure. Each and every resource we can take it on rental basis. And the two, in order to use those resources, no need to do any installations, no need to do any upgradations, and no need to maintain any physical infrastructure. So these are already available in the cloud. That means already available in the internet. So that directly we can access these cloud services over the internet just by using the browser and the internet access. All the cloud services can be accessible over the internet just by using the browser and the internet access. So without installing anything, without maintaining any physical infrastructure, without requiring any hardware, directly we can able to access these IT services over the internet by using the browser and the internet access. Now, so whatever the services offering by Salesforce, these are purely the cloud services. There is no concept of on-premise in Salesforce. On-premise application means what? Which expecting to install that application first, like as MS Office, like as Java programming, .NET programming, Oracle database. These are that on-premise. That means which needs to be installed first, then only we can start utilizing this. But when coming to the Salesforce, they're purely offering the cloud services which does not request any installation. Without installing anything into your local system, just we can able to use a browser and the internet access, we can able to access that applications. So now, so when coming to the cloud services, these are not required, this doesn't require any installations. So if these resources are not requires any installation, then we can use any device to access that application. That means it may be a laptop, it may be a desktop, it may be a basic model of mobile, it may be a smartphone, it may be a tab, it may be any other device which may come in the future, which will be having the browser and internet access the device is capable. Because we are not installing anything. Browser is available in all these devices. Internet access is also available in all these devices, so that you can use any device whatever you have. You can use any device whatever we have. It may be a mobile, smartphone, tab, laptop, desktop, or any other device which is having the browser and the internet access. That device is capable to access the cloud services offered by Salesforce. Because these are not expecting any installations. No need to do any installations inside our local device. Directly we can access these services. That flexibility is available as part of the cloud services offered by Salesforce. Now, so in this case, when coming to the Salesforce.com, what kind of services they're offering over here? So now Salesforce people are offering three classifications of services. Like they're offering the SaaS services, they're offering the platform services, they're offering infrastructure services. Then what do you mean by SaaS? What do you mean by PaaS? What do you mean by infrastructure? Now let's see practically one by one. So when coming to the Salesforce, they're offering three classifications of services: SaaS, and the platform, and the infrastructure. So now the full form of SaaS is software as a service. Second one, the platform as a service. Third one, infrastructure as a service. So these are the three classifications of services offered by Salesforce to their customers. Then, when you observe all these three classifications of services, you will be having a common word as a service, as a service, as a service. Then why Salesforce people are exposing each and every feature to you as a service? It may be software, it may be platform, it may be infrastructure. Why they are exposing to you as a service? Why not in terms of product? Then what is the difference between a product and a service? If I am offering a product, then what will happen? If I am offering a service, what will happen? Now, now let's see here. For example, come to a general scenario. Assume that it's my dream to buy an iPhone, the latest model. So since 2 years, I'm trying to buy that iPhone, but no luck because I don't have that much of amount to buy that iPhone latest model by investing some 1 lakh rupee. So keep on every month I'm doing some investment since the last 2 years. Now I'm having the budget right now with me. So I have withdrawn that whole 1 lakh rupee from my account and I went to a mobile showroom. And I visited a mobile showroom and I purchased a mobile product that is iPhone latest model by investing some 1 lakh rupee. So just now I purchased that iPhone latest model by investing some 1 lakh rupee. Now the mobile device is in my hand. Now my dream comes true. I'm very happy with this mobile device. So now tell me, can I make a call with this mobile device now? No, we can't make a call. In order to make a call, what we need? Mobile network. How can we access the mobile network? By using a SIM card. What is the cost of SIM card? It may be 10 rupees or it may be 20 rupees. Few people are offering the SIM cards on free of cost also because of some occasions. Because of some festival seasons, they are offering some SIM cards on free of cost. Now tell me, without this 10 rupees SIM card, what about this 1 lakh rupee mobile? It's waste. It's useless. So to buy that mobile product, what we did, I have invested 1 lakh rupee. To get that mobile network, how much I have invested? 10 rupees. Mobile is what? A product. Mobile network is what? A service. So if it is a product, there is a huge investment. If it is a service, investment is very, very less. That's what here, to reduce that investment, Salesforce people are exposing each and every feature to you as a service. It may be a software, it may be a platform, it may be infrastructure, whatever, each and every feature they're exposing to you as a service. If it is a service, then we can give this service on rental basis to the customers. And that too, no need to do any investment. If there is an investment, then this will be very, very less, very, very small amount. Everybody can afford so that we can capture more customers, we can generate more revenue, we can get more profit out of it. That much of flexibility is here. That's what Salesforce is exposing each and every feature to you as a service. They're not exposing as a product. They're exposing to you as a service because we can able to take it on rental basis. That too, the investment will be very, very less. Rental amount is very, very small. So in this case, when coming to the Salesforce people are providing so many features to you on rental basis. Because in the IT industry, we don't have the rental concept as of now. Because of the cloud computing, they have introduced this rental concept. So Salesforce has built some set of softwares they're providing to you on rental basis. Salesforce has built some platforms which they are providing to you on rental basis. They're providing the infrastructure also on rental basis to you. Now, in this case here, then what do you mean by this software as a service? So what do you mean by software? Software is nothing but a ready-made application. or a pre-built application which is having some set of features inside this. That software may be having the features to automate your banking process, or that software may be having the features to automate your restaurant process, or that software may be having the features to automate your financial process, or that software may be having the features to automate your supermarket process, whatever. So, whatever the softwares are available, if that softwares are exactly suits to my business, then we can take it on rental basis. No need to buy that complete software license by investing a huge amount. We can take that software on rental basis. So, whenever you are utilizing the ready-made softwares on rental basis, then it is called as software as a service. By using that SaaS, we can able to take the ready-made softwares on a rental basis. We can take the ready-made softwares on rental basis. We can take that ready-made softwares on rental basis with the help of the software as a service feature. Now, so now in this case, what ready-made software is offering the Salesforce? What ready-made application is offering the Salesforce? Salesforce is offering one ready-made application called as Salesforce CRM. Salesforce is offering a ready-made application called as Salesforce CRM. Now, so now you can raise a question, sir, why this Salesforce CRM is in huge demand right now in the market? Why the other CRM applications are not using by the customers? What is the problem here? Now let's see. So now when coming to the Salesforce, as part of the SaaS, they have introduced a ready-made application called as Salesforce CRM. Now tell me what exactly is CRM here. I hope everybody is aware of that. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. Customer Relationship Management. Then what do you mean by Customer Relationship Management? For example, when coming to an organization, customer is a base. Customer is a god for every organization. So as an organization, we may be offering some products or we may be offering some services also, whatever it may be. We are offering some products, we are offering some services as part of our organization. Now, in order to sell out those products, we need some customers. If there is a customer, then only the revenue, then only the business, then only the profit, then only the organization. So, if there is a customer, then only the organization will be there. If there is no customer, then there is no organization, there is no business, there is no revenue, there is no profit at all. So that customer is the base and customer is the god for every organization. So always, every organization is going to be keep on moving around the customer. They're doing some marketing, they're capturing some customer, they're selling out some product. And then they're giving the service to the customer. And then they will capture one more customer, sell out the product and give the service. And then they will capture one more customer, sell out the product and then give the service. Like that, the organization is keep on moving around the customer only. Because in order to make your business grow, always we need to sell out more number of products. To sell out the products, we need to capture the customer. So that here, when coming to the organization, so these are purely moving around the customers only always. So in this case, to automate all your customers' information, he may be a new customer or he may be an existing customer who is utilizing your product. So to automate all your customers' information in one place, we are using Salesforce CRM application. By using this Salesforce CRM application, we can able to automate all your existing customers' information and the new customers' information in one place. Now, we can automate all our existing and new customers' information at one place. Now, the second one, With the help of this Salesforce CRM, we can able to maintain the 360-degree view of the customer at one place. We can maintain the 360-degree view of the customer. Then you can raise the question, sir, what do you mean by the 360-degree view? 360-degree view means from capturing the customer. Okay, from capturing the customer till now. Okay, till now, how many interactions we had with the customer? So how many times you have contacted the customer? How many products the customer has purchased from my organization? How much revenue we have generated from the customer? How much profit we got from the customer? How many complaints the customer has raised? What kind of solutions we have offered to the customer? What kind of benefits we have offered to the customers? What kind of discounts we have offered to the customers? What kind of services we have offered to the customer? The whole information we can able to track in one place with the help of this Salesforce CRM application. So by using this Salesforce CRM application, we can able to maintain the 360-degree view. That means from the capturing the customer till now, what are the various interactions that we had? Every information we can able to track in one place. Simply we can say like as a customer history. Customer history. The entire customer history we can able to track in one place with the help of the Salesforce CRM application. That much of flexibility is available here. Now here, in order to automate all your customers' information and your existing customers' information and the new customers' information in one place, we are going to be using this Salesforce CRM application. So by using this Salesforce CRM application, we can automate all our marketing processes and the sales processes and the service processes at a time. So in one place, we can able to automate all your marketing processes and the sales processes and the service processes, the whole information we can able to automate at one place by using the Salesforce CRM application. That means we can automate your marketing related information. Like what kind of campaigns we have conducted and how many people we have visited my campaign and what kind of products we have sold out, how many products we have sold out, everything we can automate. What kind of complaints the customer has raised, what kind of solutions we have offered, the whole information we can automate at one place by using this Salesforce CRM application. So by using this Salesforce CRM application, we can automate all our marketing processes and the sales and the service processes in one place. Now in this case, when coming to the Salesforce CRM, why this Salesforce CRM is in huge demand right now in the market, why most of the clients are adopting this Salesforce CRM. Basically, Salesforce CRM has been entered into the market because Salesforce CRM has been came into the market in the year 2000. In the year 2000. Now that means almost 18 to 19 years in the industry. Almost 18 to 19 years in the industry. Now why this Salesforce CRM is in huge demand in the market? Now before year 2000, don't we have any industries? Yes, we have so many industries which are running since more than 100 years still. We have so many manufacturing companies. We have so many financial organizations, so many banking organizations, and so many consulting organizations, so many education organizations which are available in the market, which are running more than 100 years. Then during that time, they don't have any customers? Yes, they have the customers. They have the businesses. Then how these people has automated their businesses here at that time? Don't we have any CRM applications before the year 2000? Yes. Before the year 2000, we have so many organizations, so many businesses, so many customers are also available. And aligned with that, so many CRM applications are also there. Like, before the year 2000, we are having so many CRM applications are available. Not only the Salesforce CRM, because basically Salesforce CRM came into the market in the year 2000. Before year 2000, we have so many CRM applications are available in the market. Like we have the Sugar CRM. Sugar CRM is a very, very older CRM tool which is available in the market since almost 30 to 40 years in the industry. So many customers are still continuing with the Sugar CRM, but most of the customers has been migrated from Sugar CRM to the Salesforce CRM. And we have the PeopleSoft CRM. We have the Siebel CRM. We have the Infor CRM. We have the Synergy CRM. We have the NetSuite CRM. And then we have SAP CRM. We have RK CRM. Like that, we have so many CRM applications are available in the market before the year 2000 also. Then why this Salesforce CRM is in huge demand in the market here? Why the people are not adopting this Sugar CRM, Siebel CRM, PeopleSoft CRM, all these things, Microsoft Dynamics CRM, why the people are not adopting all these things? Because whatever the CRM applications are available in the market, in these CRM applications, we have few drawbacks. Okay, we have few drawbacks. So what are those drawbacks? Now let's see practically here. The first drawback is, whatever the CRM applications are available in the market, all these CRM applications are on-premise. These are on-premise. These are on-premise applications. So what do you mean by on-premise application? On-premise application requires the pre-installation. So what needs to be done? Suppose, for example, if we want to use the Sugar CRM to automate your business processes, first of all, we have to purchase the license of Sugar CRM by contacting that particular organization. So we have to buy the license of the Sugar CRM first, by investing a huge amount. And then once you have purchased that software, then you have to maintain your own server, we have to maintain your own infrastructure. In that server, we have to install this software. From there, we can able to use this Sugar CRM application. We can store your data. Your employees, your customers, your partners, your end users, everybody can access it. That means what here? First of all, we have to buy that complete software by investing a huge amount as the license cost. Then, second one, to install that software, we require a system. That means we require a server. So that we have to invest a huge amount to buy the high configuration server, which will be having the capability to store some terabytes of information, which is providing more faster performance, which is providing more security for your data. So that we have to do the huge investment to buy that software and to buy that hardware, both. So that it is a huge investment. So it is purely on-premise. That means, first of all, we have to buy the software, install into your local server, then we can start utilizing this. It is the first major problem that we have in the Sugar CRM. Next, that means it may be any CRM tool, whatever we have. Now, next, the second problem here in this existing CRM applications. The second problem is these are all strictly CRM applications. These are strictly CRM applications. Then what do you mean by strictly CRM? That means when coming to the softwares, when coming to the CRM applications, they have given some set of features to automate your customers' information. So what are the features they have given to you? Only those features we can able to use. That means these are purely no coding tools. These are purely no coding tools, so that they are not offering any programming language to write the code, okay, in order to build our own custom applications. Now, so what are the existing CRM applications that we have? Okay. What are the existing CRM applications that we have? These are having some ready-made features which we can use to automate our business processes. But we can't build any application by using this PeopleSoft CRM application, or by using the Siebel CRM application. We can't build banking applications. We can't build insurance application. We can't build manufacturing. We can't build some education, consulting, construction. We can't build this kind of application. Just we can use it as the CRM. That's it. To automate your customers' information, we can use this CRM application. But we can't build any of our custom application by using the software, because whatever the CRM applications are available in the market before year 2000, these are strictly CRM. They are providing some ready-made options to you to automate your business processes. They are not offering any platforms. There is no platform available with them. There is no programming language to be used to build my own custom application. That is the second major problem when coming to that existing CRM applications. Next, the third major drawback is upgradations. Upgradation cost. That means these are purely on-premise application which requires the pre-installation. So at that time, for example, assume that I have purchased that Sugar CRM version 1.0. For example, I'm using that Sugar CRM software version 1.0. So to automate my customers' information, assume that I'm using Sugar CRM version 1.0. Now, so I'm using this Sugar CRM version 1.0 since almost 1 year. It is working very fine. I'm storing all my customers' data. I'm very happy with the features. Recently, that organization has given one more version of that software, that is Sugar CRM version 2.0. They have released the latest version of that software, which is having some more additional features. Then to get that features, what needs to be done? We need to buy the latest version of the license again. So we have to do the huge investment again to buy the latest version of the license, and then we need to upgrade this software into our server. For example, I did the investment. I have purchased the latest version. I have upgraded into my local server, and I'm start utilizing this. Now after 1 more year, these people has releases one more version here, Sugar CRM version 3.0, which is having some more additional features. I want those features again. Then what we can do? Again, we need to do the investment. That means what? Keep on every year they're giving the latest version of the releases by adding some additional enhancements. But in this case, in order to get those latest features, keep on we have to do some investment to get that latest version of licenses and to get the latest features. That means what? It is keep on increasing my investment. It is keep on increasing my investment. My business may be grow, my business may not be grow. But always the customers are expecting some new features. We have to offer some new services to my customers. At that time, we have to get this software licenses. That means we have to do the investment. Even though your business may be grow or may not be grow, always we have to do the investment. So in this case, if I keep on doing the investment every year to get the latest version of these licenses, then what about my profit? Definitely it will be impacting on my profit. If my investment is keep on increasing, automatically the profit will be getting decreased. So these are the major problems the customers are facing with these on-premise applications, with these existing CRM applications. Now, whatever that existing CRM applications are available, like a Sugar CRM, PeopleSoft CRM, Siebel CRM, Infor CRM, Synergy CRM, SAP CRM, Oracle CRM, Microsoft Dynamics CRM. So many CRM applications are available in the market, but all the CRM applications are on-premise. But now slowly, Oracle people has converted the CRM to the on-demand. SAP people has converted the CRM to on-demand. That means to the cloud. Now, so now here in this case here, when coming to the existing CRM applications that are having some major problems, so now because of that major problems, Salesforce people got very huge demand in the market, because Salesforce CRM is the world's first on-demand CRM application in the industry. Okay, the Salesforce CRM is the world's first on-demand CRM application in the industry. So Salesforce CRM is the world's first on-demand CRM application in the industry. So that means this Salesforce CRM doesn't require any installation. Okay, no need to install anything. No need to purchase that complete license by investing a huge amount. Take this CRM application and then utilize it. Depends upon utilization, pay the rental amount to the Salesforce. That means what? We can take this Salesforce CRM application on rental basis. So no need to do the huge investment. That too, the rental amount is very, very small, so that each and every organization can able to invest that much of amount, so that we can capture more number of customers and we can generate more revenue as well. So that here Salesforce CRM got the huge demand in the market here, because of this is very, very cheaper in the market. That too, the features are very excellent features are available as part of this Salesforce CRM application. That too, it doesn't request any installation. No need to install anything into a local system. Everything can be accessible just by using a browser internet access. That's it. If you're having a smartphone, then through smartphone you can access it. If you're having tab device, through tab you can access it, because in those devices also we have the internet capacity, internet facility, where we are having the browser also inbuilt. So that use the browser and then access the application from wherever you are by using any device whatever we have. So that flexibility is available as part of this Salesforce CRM. Now you can raise one more question as well. Sir, before year 2000, we are having so many CRM applications are available in the market. Then why again Salesforce people has concentrated on CRM? Why not banking? Why not insurance? Why not finance? Why not manufacturing application? Why these people are not concentrating on these kind of applications? Why they have concentrated again on this CRM application? Now, for example, if the Salesforce people has built a banking application, then who will use that? Only the banking customers will use that. Other people won't use. Suppose if the Salesforce people has developed a finance application, then who will use that? Only the financial organizations will use. Remaining people won't use that. Suppose if these people has built a manufacturing application, then only manufacturing organizations will use that application. Remaining people won't use. That means what? If you are concentrating on these kind of applications like as banking, finance, manufacturing, healthcare, at that time, only some specific category of people will use that. Remaining people won't use. Remaining people won't use that. That means we can't capture much customers. For that one, they have concentrated on CRM application, because CRM application is mandatory for every organization. Because in every organization, we have the customers. Now tell me where we have the customers. From a small hotel to very big MNCs also we have the customers. Everywhere, wherever we have the organization, there we have the customers. Like for example, we have the hotels. For hotels, we have the customers. For restaurant, we have the customers. Supermarket, we have the customers. Online shopping, we have the customers. Banking, we have the customers. Finance, we have the customers. Insurance, we have the customers. And the hospitality, we have the customers. Education, we have the customers. That means wherever we have the organization, there we have the customers. So wherever you have the customers, there you can use Salesforce CRM application. Now, so when coming to the Salesforce CRM application is not targeted for any industry. It is not built for banking people. It's not built for the finance people. It's not built for the manufacturing people. This will be common to all the organizations. So CRM application can be used by any organization. So in a small hotel also, we can use this CRM application to automate your customers' information, sales information, service information, everything. In a very big MNC also, we can use this Salesforce CRM application to automate your customers' information, sales information, everything.
Firoz,
That flexibility is available.
one question. When you say automate customers' information, what actually it means?
Now, so automating the customers' information means now we can able to capture the customers' information here, keep on. Like for example, we are offering some products. So now today, as part of the inauguration of our organization, we are offering some 1+1 offer. So many people will show interest to buy my products. So in this case, the customer may be from any place. He may be from the same city, he may be from a different city, different country, whatever. So we can able to capture those customers' information from different sources. The customer can show their interest through the different ways. He no need to visit my organization directly. He can show his interest, and he can contact my organization from any place in the world just by using the internet, by accessing my application itself. The flexibility is available here. And along with that, once we have captured the customer's information, we can send some notifications as well. Like as, dear customer, thanks for showing your interest to buy our product, and one of our salesperson will contact you shortly. And then from there, that person's information will be assigning to my sales team, so that one of the salesperson will contact the person, okay, immediately, and he will give the required information, and he will visit the customer's place, and he will collect the required documentations, and he will be selling out the product over here. And after that, when the customer is facing any problem with my product, he can raise a complaint also. By no need to visiting my organization, he can raise that complaint by using the multiple sources. And he can send an email notification also to create a case. He can make a call to my customer care also to raise a case. He can use my website also to raise a case. He can use some community portals also to raise a case. He can use some live agent features also to raise a case. Multiple sources we are offering in order to communicate with those people as well. So all this information, we can make it automated. Instead of contacting the people manually, we can make this process automated with the help of the Salesforce CRM application. Everything will be the automated processes we can do. No need to have the manual interactions. Now, so now here in this case here, so by using this Salesforce CRM application, we can able to automate all these processes. So whatever the various processes that you are following as part of your sales, as part of your marketing, as part of your service, everything we can automate by using this Salesforce CRM application. So that here, Salesforce people has concentrated on CRM application. Even though we are having so many CRM application in the market during that time, again they have concentrated on CRM application, because when coming to the Salesforce CRM, this is the world's first on-demand CRM application in the industry, and then which is solving all the problems which are available in the existing CRM applications. So because of that excellent facilities offered by Salesforce as part of Salesforce CRM, now Salesforce CRM is the world's number one leader. Salesforce CRM is the world's number one leader. Number one CRM application in the IT industry, in the CRM space. So Salesforce CRM is the world's number one CRM application, okay, in the CRM space in IT industry nowadays. Now, so in this case, by using this Salesforce CRM application, we can automate all your customers' information at one place. And we can able to maintain a 360-degree view of the customer at one place, and we can automate all your marketing processes, sales processes, and the service processes in one place by using this Salesforce CRM application. That much of flexibilities are available as part of this Salesforce CRM application. Now, so now in this case, you can raise a question, sir, Salesforce people are offering only this Salesforce CRM application? No. They are not only offering the software as a service, that means on rental basis, they are offering some platforms also. So Salesforce is offering the platforms also on rental basis. So they are offering the platform services also to you. Then what platforms offering by Salesforce over here? Then what do you mean by this platform? We'll see practically. For example, Salesforce people are offering a ready-made application called as Salesforce CRM. By using that Salesforce CRM, we can automate all our customers' information. We can store all our customers in one place. We can maintain our customers' history in one place by using the Salesforce CRM application. Now, for example, in my organization, I'm using the Salesforce CRM application. We are storing all our customers' information. And recently, we have entered into the banking sector also. Okay, we have entered into banking sector also. We have started a new banking organization recently. Now, how can we automate all my banking processes? Like as how can we store all my banking related data? Can I build those kind of banking application through Salesforce? Yes. When you observe most of the advertisements or the most of the banners or the most of the posters in the different places related to Salesforce, you will be having the word Salesforce CRM, Salesforce CRM, Salesforce CRM. But Salesforce is not only offering CRM, Salesforce people are offering a platform also. Because Salesforce people are offering a platform also that is called as Force.com platform. Force.com platform. Then what do you mean by platform? Platform is nothing but a development environment. Okay, platform is nothing but a development environment which provides the various services to build your custom application. That means not only using that Salesforce CRM application, we can develop our own custom applications also. Then what kind of application? It may be banking application, finance application, manufacturing application, healthcare, consulting, construction, life sciences, whatever, anything. All the categories of applications we can build by using this Force.com platform. That much of flexibility is available here. The two, this Force.com platform is purely a cloud platform. It's purely a cloud platform. So now then what do you mean by this platform over here? Platform is providing some set of resources. It provides some set of features to develop your application. Now, for example, come to a scenario. Assume that I'm having some space or I'm having some land in my hometown. In that space, I want to construct a house. In order to construct the house, we need some resources or not? Yes. Like, we need some manpower, we need some iron, cement, bricks. Like that, we need some resources here. By using all these things, we can construct the house. Like the similar way, if you want to build your software, if you want to build your own custom application, we need some resources. What resources? Some programming languages, some technologies, some databases, and some tools are required. The combination of all these resources are called as platform. So, platform contains some set of programming languages. It contains the set of programming languages. It contains some set of technologies. It contains a set of databases. It contains a set of tools also. By using the combination of all these resources, we can build your own custom application. You can build the custom application, whatever you want. So now, the custom application may be a banking application, finance application, insurance, healthcare, manufacturing, anything. Whatever the application that you want, we can build by using this Force.com platform. So now here in this case, you can raise a question. Sir, for example, if I want to use the Oracle database, okay, to store my data, I need to buy the license of this Oracle database. It's a very huge investment. Now, do I need to purchase this platform here? No. This platform is available to you on rental basis. That means this is like as a service. That means we can take it on rental basis. That means whatever the programming languages that we require, what are the technologies that we need, what are the database that you want, what are the tools that you want, we can take it on rental basis. Rental amount is very, very small, so everybody can invest that. Everybody can afford that rental amount in order to utilize that features. So that when coming to that Salesforce, they're offering a platform also that is called as Force.com platform. Now through that Force.com platform, we can build our own custom applications. Now this Force.com platform is purely a cloud platform which does not require any installation. No need to do any installations over here. No need to maintain your own server. Directly we can access by using browser and internet access. That's it. We are not installing anything as part of our Salesforce implementation. Nothing will be there. Nothing will be there in our local system. Everything will be there inside the internet itself. So that here, we no need to maintain A high configuration system like as 4 GB of RAM, 200 GB of hard disk, nothing. Even though if you're having some 256 MB of RAM, okay, 256 MB of RAM inside your device, that is sufficient. That is capable to access your cloud applications. So that much of flexibilities are available over here. So that to build your own custom applications. That means not only using the ready-made Salesforce CRM application on rental basis, Salesforce people are offering a platform also to you on rental basis. By using this platform, you can develop your own application. Because all the people may not be requiring some CRM application. For example, I am into the supermarket business, so I want to develop that supermarket application. So we can take this platform on rental basis. Or else somebody is into the restaurant business, they want to develop the restaurant automation application. So that they can use this Salesforce platform, they can build that application. Somebody into the finance, they can use this platform, they can build their application. So that whatever the application that you want, we can build with the help of this Force.com platform. The flexibility is available here. Now, in this case, what we can do with the help of this Force.com platform? By using this Force.com platform, we can perform 4 basic operations here. We can perform 4 basic operations. So what are those operations we can perform by using this Force.com platform? Now let's see. The first one, we can able to customize the existing Salesforce CRM application. Customize the existing application features. Okay, we can customize the existing application features. Then what do you mean by customizing over here? For example, I'm using the Salesforce CRM application in my organization. So as part of this Salesforce CRM application, Salesforce people has given some 100 features. Okay, they have given some 100 features. I'm using all those 100 features. Now, whenever I'm going to be using these features, sometimes few features are not required for me. Like my business is very, very small. So all the 100 features are not required. 40 features are sufficient. Remaining 60 features I don't want. So in this case, what happened? Whatever the features are required for you, we can make it visible on the user interface. Remaining features we can make it hide. Because I don't want to make my user interface complex. I want to make my user interface very, very simple. Whatever the features are required, I would like to make that features will be visible to me on the screen. Remaining features I want to make it hide. I want to deactivate those features because I'm not using that. I don't want those features here. Suppose after some time, if those features are required, I will activate those features, I will make it visible on my screen so that I can use that features as well. So in this case, whatever the features has been given by Salesforce, those features we can able to customize according to our business requirement. The flexibility is available by using this Salesforce platform, that is Force.com. With the help of this Force.com platform, we can customize that existing application features. Okay, we can customize the existing application features. Next. That means whatever the features they have given to me, so from those features, what features are required for me, I'm making it visible, remaining I'm making it hide. Now you can raise a question, sir, can I add some more features? Because they have given some 100 features to me, along with that I want some more additional features. Like as I want some more 5 features, but those are not there in Salesforce as of now. Then what we can do? Do I need to wait till the Salesforce people are giving those 5 features? No. Those features are required immediately for my business needs. So in this case, whatever the additional features are required, we can build those additional 5 features and we can add it to the existing CRM application. That means what? Not only customizing the existing features, we can leverage the features also. Leveraging means what? Extending. That means we can add some more additional enhancements also. We can add some additional features also to that application with the help of this Force.com platform. That means by using this Force.com platform, we can leverage or extend the application features by adding the additional enhancements. That is also possible with the help of Force.com platform. Because business to business, organization to organization, company to company, their policies will be different. Their processes are different. So according to that, they need some additional features also. Those features we can build according to the business requirement, and we can able to add to the existing application as well by adding some additional enhancements. Next, the third one. So as of now, what we did, we have customized the existing one. For the existing application, we have added some more one. Can't we build everything by my own? Can't we build my own a complete new application? Like as a banking application, finance application, insurance application, can't we build? Yes, that is also possible. By using this first.com platform, we can build our own custom applications. We can build our own applications, whatever you want. Then how many unlimited number of, okay, there is no limit, n number of applications we can build by using this first.com platform. Then what kind of application do we need to build? Only CRM applications? No. You can build your CRM applications also. You can build the banking applications also. You can build the finance applications also. You can build some manufacturing applications also. You can build some healthcare applications also. And you can build some consulting applications also. Like that, whatever the application that you want, everything we can build with the help of this first.com platform. So by using this first.com platform, we can develop any kind of application, whatever you want. Okay, we can build any kind of application, whatever you want. The flexibility is available by using this first.com platform. Now, so after that, once you have built your own application, then sometimes I need to integrate my application with some external systems. Like for example, assume that I have developed a supermarket application. Now, I've given the facility to my customers. Dear customer, no need to visit my supermarket to buy the items. You can sit in our home, access my application, access my website, select the items whatever you want inside that application, and then make an order. Nothing but make the payment. Automatically, order will be generated. Will deliver the items to your home and free of cost. That means without charging any home delivery facility. Okay. So without charging any amount for that home delivery, we are providing the free home delivery facility to you. That means here no need to visit that supermarket to buy the items. We can raise an order through online. By sitting in our home or by sitting in our office, just by using that application, raise an order, make the payment, and they will deliver the items to your place. That flexibility is also available here also. Now in this case, what we can do here, at that time, once the customer has selected some items to be get purchased, now he has to make the payment. Once you click on the make the payment, it will be transferring to that banking application. That means what? My application should interact with the banking application. That means we need to integrate that. Okay, we need to integrate. So that here, not only building the application by your own, we can integrate your application with any external systems also. With any application also we can integrate. With a Java application, with a .NET application, with a banking application, with the Oracle database, with any application we can integrate. That flexibility is available. So now by using this first.com platform, we can integrate. We can integrate the Salesforce applications with any external system. Okay, we can integrate the Salesforce application with any external systems as well. So these are the 4 implementations we can do by using this first.com platform. So with the help of this first.com platform, we can customize the existing application features. We can add some additional features to that applications. We can build the complete applications by your own n number of applications you can develop. And we can integrate your application with any external systems also. That flexibility is available to you. Now, in this case, in order to develop your application, we require some programming languages or not. We require some technologies or not. Then what programming languages are offered by Salesforce here? As part of first.com platform, Salesforce is providing the 2 programming languages to you. The first one is Apex programming. Apex programming. So now what is this Apex programming? Apex programming is like as an object-oriented programming language. Like as your C++, Java, C Sharp, like the similar way, Apex is also one of the object-oriented programming language which is used to build your business logics. To build your own customized business logic, we are using this Apex programming. Like for example, assume that I'm having a screen, okay, like as a registration form. In that registration form, so many text boxes are there to enter some data. I have entered some data inside those fields. Once you click on save button, record is saving. How? Because of some business logic. They have written some business logic. Once you click on the save button, it will send the whole data which I have entered to that business logic. It will create a new record. Once you click on delete button, record is deleting because of business logic. When I click on login button inside my login screen, it is validating my credentials here because of business logic. So if you want to implement those kind of business logics, we are using Apex programming. So by using this Apex programming, we can build the customized business logics here. We can build the custom business logics. We can build the custom business logic here. Next, the second one, Visual Force programming. Okay, Visual Force programming. So Visual Force programming is for what? Visual. Visual means what? Presentation, display, nothing but screens. So now, by using this Visual Force programming, we can design our own user interfaces, like some login screen, registration form, forgot password screen, search forms, like that, whatever the screens or whatever the user interfaces that we need. So those user interfaces we can design with the help of Visual Force programming. So by using this Visual Force programming, we can design the attractive and the dynamic user interfaces. Okay, with the help of this Visual Force programming, we can design attractive and dynamic user interfaces. Dynamic user interfaces. Whatever the user interfaces that you want, we can design. Whatever the screens requires as part of your application, all those screens we can design with the help of the Visual Force programming over here. So these are the two programming languages has been offered by Salesforce as part of this Force.com platform. During the development concept, we are discussing this Apex programming and the Visual Force programming. So even though you are from a non-technical background, no need to worry about that. Okay, no need to worry about that. So that we are going to be discussing every fundamental basic of the programming language. Okay, no need to worry about the programming part over here. Every fundamental basic, what is programming language, what is technology, what is data type, what is variable, everything, each and every fundamental basic we'll discuss in the class itself. No need to have any technical skills. No need to worry about that, sir, I'm from a non-technical background, I'm from MBA background. No need to worry about that. So now every fundamental basic we'll discuss in the class. Each and every feature we'll discuss in detail. Not only that, what is what, we'll go with in detail concept over here. Now, so that as part of this development, we are going to be discussing about the Apex programming language and then Visual Force programming language here. Next. So now by using this Force.com platform, once the application has been built, once the application has been ready, then how can we install that application?
Programming used to build UI, is it? Because my question was like, we use Visual Force programming to build UI,
Yes.
but if there is business logic, we use Apex programming.
Yes, right. Yes, right, correct. Now, so to design the UI, we are using that Visual Force. Yeah. Yeah, tell me.
In the UI, do they use like HTML or what is the programming?
Yeah. Basically, in that Visual Force, Salesforce is providing so many ready-made tags to you, like as HTML tags. We are having so many ready-made tags are available. Through those ready-made tags, we can design the user interfaces here. If you want to use HTML tags also, we can use, because Visual Force will support all the web technologies over here. You can use HTML code also, JavaScript code also, and then jQuery code, everything, CSS code, everything we can use according to the requirement. But By default, Salesforce has given so many ready-made tags to you. Like as in HTML, we have so many ready-made tags are there. Like the similar way in Visualforce, they have given so hundreds of ready-made tags to you. By using those tags, you can design the user interface. As part of that Visualforce programming, we'll see each and every tag, how to design the user interfaces by our own, how to build the business logic, everything we'll see practically. Okay? Now, so now once the application has been built by using this first platform, then in order to install that application, we need some memory space. Then generally the people are going to be purchasing a server. In that server, they're installing that application. But now here in this case, no need to buy any physical infrastructure. No need to buy a server by investing the huge amount. Whatever the storage space that we need, whatever the memory space that we require, whatever the performance features that we need, whatever the security features that we need, whatever the backup and the restoring facilities that we need, everything we can take it on rental basis. For that one, Salesforce is providing their own servers. Salesforce is maintaining their own servers in the 3 different regions here. They are maintaining their own servers in the 3 different regions. So what are those regions? The first region is the North America region. So now this is also called as NA region. And the second one, Europe region. Europe region. That is also called as EU region or EMEA. Europe, Middle East and Africa. And the third one, Asia Pacific region. Asia Pacific region. This is also called as AP region. So these are the 3 regions where Salesforce is maintaining their own servers, and then in those servers they're having some huge memory spaces available. From those memory space, they're allocating some amount of memory space for the customers here. So whenever we are creating a Gmail account, generally, whenever I'm creating a Gmail account, Google people are allocating 15 GB of space. Okay, 15 GB of space. Now in that space, we can store your documents, pictures, images, everything. Like the similar way, whenever we are utilizing that Salesforce services, Salesforce people are allocating some amount of memory space. Where inside that Salesforce server? Where is those servers that we have inside the 3 different regions? North America region, we are having some servers. Europe region, we are having some servers. In Asia Pacific region also, we are having some servers. Now, so now how many servers are available in each and every region? We'll see in the next concepts over here. In the further concepts, we'll see how many servers are available in each and every region. How do we know those servers information? Whether the servers are up and running fine or not? Is there any issue in the server itself? If there is any performance degradation in the server? If there is any maintenance calendar for the server? Everything we'll see practically over here. That architectural level concept also we'll see practically as part of this course. So that Salesforce people are maintaining their own servers in the 3 different regions, and then in these servers they're having the huge memory space. Whenever the customer is utilizing that Salesforce services, whenever the customer is showing the interest to utilize Salesforce services, for that customer they're allocating some amount of memory space from these servers here, so that the customer can able to use that memory space. In that memory space, the customer can install his applications, he can store his data, his files, his records, his documents, everything will be available inside that memory space. Other people can't access your data without your permission. So what are the data that was stored inside the Salesforce server? The data can't be hacked. The data can't be accessible by any other person without your permission. So the data will be completely secured. Okay, the data will be completely protected. The data can't be accessible by any other customer over here. That much of flexibility is available. That much of security features are available introduced by Salesforce. Because of that, most of the customers are adopting Salesforce implementation. So nowadays, when you go any small company, also Salesforce projects are available. Wherever you go, Salesforce projects are available always. So that we are having the huge implementations on Salesforce nowadays. So now when you observe most of the job portals surveys, they have identified that Salesforce is the #1 space. Salesforce is the #1 leader in the job market nowadays. The number of requirements are huge in all the levels. Not only for the experience, in the fresher level, in the experience level also, in the top level positions also, like as BAs, architects, managers, everywhere. We're having the huge requirements on Salesforce. That too, the package is also very good nowadays in the market here. So that here, so many people are learning Salesforce, and so many customers are adopting Salesforce implementation also. Because of the good services offered by Salesforce, because of the excellent performance features and the security features offered by Salesforce, so many clients are adopting Salesforce implementations. Sometime before, when the Salesforce has introduced their services, banking people didn't show interest to use Salesforce because banking data is very, very confidential, very, very sensitive. So storing the banking data inside the Salesforce server, so at that time they didn't show interest. Because as a banking organization, if I'm storing my customers' data or my bank customers' transaction data inside your server, if something went wrong for your server, if the data has been lost, then who will be responsible? So in this case here, nowadays, each and every banking organization is using Salesforce implementation because of the good facilities offered by Salesforce, because of good services, because of good security features offered by Salesforce. Nowadays, every banking organization, not only in India, in abroad countries also, every banking organization is using Salesforce implementations nowadays because they have that much of trust, because they got that much of good credibility in the market here, in terms of features, in terms of performance, in terms of security also. So that here, so many customers are adopting Salesforce implementations nowadays. That's what we're having the huge requirements on Salesforce nowadays. So this is the whole information about that, the Salesforce CRM and the platform and the infrastructure. Okay, now. So in tomorrow's session, we are going to be discussing about the CRM process. CRM process, and is also called as CRM terminology, or this is also called as CRM vocabulary. That means what kind of terminology that we are using as part of the CRM domain, what kind of vocabulary that we are going to use, the whole information we'll see practically over here. So this is the base concept over here. Tomorrow's session is the most important one. Based on the same terminology we are going to be referring in the further classes also. The same object we are using in the further classes as well. So that here, so tomorrow's session is the most important one. Okay.
5:15 a.m., right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
And then